For some reasons right now, a lot of people are quite interested in converting images into videos and also converting text into images, which is why you want to just simply check out this particular AI tool right here called the Pixelverse right now. This is an amazing AI tool that you can use to go into creating breathtaking videos with AI. You could also go into creating amazing images just by utilizing some single prompts or text right there just by utilizing this AI tool. And you can see right here, you could transform your ideas into stunning visuals with our powerful video creation platform. And I'm going to walk you through the capabilities of this AI tool in this particular video. You can actually take a look at the video on the screen, which you actually did see earlier. I did create that particular video just by utilizing a single image right there. So that was initially an image that was converted into a video. And if you come onto this platform, you just need to come right here, click on get started in web, or you could go on to join their Discord community. But if you do click on get started in web, which is the pixelverse.ai, you can actually then come on to logging into your account. As you can see, I'm logged into my account right here, and these are some of the popular videos that was created with the help of this AI tool. You can actually take a look at this video right here, which is just two people which was created just by an image. This is the image that was uploaded right here. You could preview the image of just a man and a woman looking at each other while rain was falling, but you can actually see right here that they went on to animating that video and created a very cool content right now. So you can actually go on to checking out another video right here. This is also a cool video that was generated utilizing a simple text right there. So you can actually take a look at the video right now. You can pause the video, you can play the video, you can see how cool it actually goes on to looking like right here in this section. So you can just simply go on to checking out other cool content right here on this platform, and you can actually see the capabilities of this AI tool right here. You can see right now that this was just simply generated utilizing a simple image right here. You can preview the image. This is the image right here, and this is the video that was generated right now. So just simply take a look at the capabilities of this AI tool. Now, if you want to just simply go into generating maybe cool content on this platform, you can actually come right here, click on create, and you can just simply go into creating the text to video. You can see right here, this is a video I created earlier just by utilizing a simple text prompt. You can see that this is the video right here. This is how the video looks like. There's a little motion on the video with the avatar right here that is actually blinking, or the person in the picture blinking her eyes, but it was just simply created from this simple image right now. So you can just simply go into creating something similar to this. Maybe you want to create an image first, or you want to create a video first. You just simply need to type in the prompt of the kind of image you actually do want. You can actually type in the prompt right here in this section right now. Maybe you want to generate something like a cyberpunk girl holding a gun on the street of New York at night. And right here you can see is the negative prompt at things you don't actually want to see in your video. And I could just simply insert something like maybe so if I do put in something like a portrait view right now, that means I'm not going to be seeing a portrait view. And you can see the style right here, which is realistic. You can get it in anime style or 3D style. You can just simply select any style of your choice. You can see the aspect ratio, select anyone. You could also go into editing the speed right here. I could just simply increase the speed to something quiet, maybe this position right now. Once you're done, just simply click on create, and your video generation will actually begin in progress. And guys, the cool thing about this AI tool is that this is actually an AI tool that you can use for absolutely free right now. So you can actually then go on to generating maybe content from your images right now. Supposing you do have an image, you just need to come onto this image to video section. Click on this section right here. You can see upload files, or you could just simply go into selecting from your assets right now. So you can see this is my asset, which is one image right now. You could select from that. Maybe I could just simply go into uploading a file right now. I can just simply go into my download section and just simply scroll through until I can just simply get a simple image I want to just simply go on to animating right now. So guys, supposing I want to just simply animate this image right here, I can just simply click on open right here. As you can see, the image is actually being uploaded, and you can just simply add in a simple prompt right here to that right now. But before we do go on further to this particular generating this particular video from an image, just simply take a look at the video that was generated utilizing that simple text which I actually did insert earlier, which is a girl holding a gun on the street of New York. And you can see the prompt right here, and you can see the cool video that was generated just by utilizing this simple prompt right now. All this content are actually quite cool, and you can actually do see the motion of the lady in the video right here is actually quite amazing right now. You could also take note of the hand movement right there, and how the gun actually went on to transforming. That's quite maybe a little lag in the AI part, but this is actually a cool content that was generated from this AI. You can actually take a look at other moving parts in the video right there. It's actually looking quite amazing. So just simply take a look at that. So I'm just going to upload that particular content again, that I want to just simply go into animating this particular file. I can actually add in a simple prompt right there, maybe a baby dragon smiling. And if I do put in that right here, you can actually go into editing your speed. You can actually edit the strength of the motion right now, and once you're done, just simply click on create, and your video generation will actually begin in progress. And you can see right now, guys, that my video is generating. The system is actually operating at full capacity, and in a short while my video will be generated right now, and you can just simply go to taking a look at how cool and amazing that video will actually be. So you could just simply take out much of your time, play around this AI tool, generate cool and amazing content. The more you do practice with this, the more you actually do get better in generating some cool kind of content that you actually want. The more you actually get better in generating content that looks quite much more similar to your imaginations right there. So you can actually then go on to checking out this particular section where you can share that on Twitter, maybe on YouTube, and also maybe on this platform called Discord. You can actually go on to checking out other cool stuff right here on this platform and how amazing the platform actually is. Now, supposing you want to just simply go on to learning a bit much more faster how this AI works and how to actually generate some cool and amazing content, you can actually take a look at the content which was generated by other people utilizing this AI tool, and you could just simply learn a thing or two from the kind of prompts they actually did use right there, the kind of style they also use, and the kind of images they used in generating their content right there. If you do take a look at that, it will also enable you to in generating some cool and amazing content right here with the help of this AI tool. So take a look at these, guys. This is the video that was generated. If I do go on to playing the video right now, you can actually do see this is the video that was generated right here just by utilizing this simple text prompt and also this image right now. You could also take note of the motion of the wings of this baby dragon and also the tail right now. You can actually do see that there is actually another motion at the background of that particular in video right there. If you take note of how cool this actually is, and there's a little camera motion right there and a head motion from this particular character right there in the video. So you can actually do see how amazing this is. You could go on to rating the particular AI and create other cool stuff right now. So all you need to do right now is just simply to head back and check a lot of other people's content right here on this particular platform. Take note of the kind of prompts they actually did use. You could select the video right now, take note of the kind of prompt they use. You can see this one right here says a lamp in a Finnish forest looking at aurora, and you can see the aspect ratio and the speed the person actually did utilize to generate this cool and amazing video. So why not just simply try this out right here? We're going to generating some cool content and utilize that right now. So if the video did add some value, guys, please do hit the like button to the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.